Hey, and welcome to CCP College Chemistry. I was going to make this video in the summer, but since I'm looking very dapper today before graduation, I figured I'd do it now. The most important thing I need you to know is that this is a college class. Therefore, I expect you to be college-level students. That means the material is very hard and the material comes very, very quickly. However, it should be understood that this is 2 bells in a row. The primary reasons for labs, but with 2 bells in a row, I can really definitely help you understand these difficult concepts. Although the first semester is not too hard, but the second semester definitely gets really tough. I want to introduce you how to use Moodle. Moodle is going to assist you in understanding the very basic ideas of chemistry, which you should have picked up in prior science classes, as well as introduce you to math concepts like significant figures. There will be some math review like scientific notation, but you have to know these basic math skills. You have to use them constantly. In my higher level science courses, well, this is the highest, but like in regular physics or chemistry, we have to use significant figures anyways. So, a couple things I want to show you. One, OsborneScience.com. This is the primary website. I did not use this too often last year just because no one really went on there and used it, but FYI, it's on here. So this just shows you how to get to Moodle. You can click this link right here. Or another important thing is over here where it says College Chem. This is the weekly syllabus, but it does give us the entire semester's syllabus. When you have to do everything by, when are our exams. Now this needs to be updated. Do not take this as this is exactly when everything is, because this is from last year. So for next school year, I have to update this. But basically it tells you when you have to read the textbook by, and you have to read it before coming to class, so you know exactly what we're going to be talking about, when exams are, when the labs are, etc. I think the lab schedule is down here. Yeah. So that's important. Again, that's on OsborneScience.com. If we go back to the main page, again, to get to Moodle, you can go to the main site and click here to reach Moodle. Or you can just go to, well, I'm already logged on, but you can just go to www.osbornescience, I don't know how to spell my last name, .com/Moodle. And that will also take you there. But once you're on, the under construction should be down a little bit further because, again, I'm going to update this periodically. I'm going to do a little bit at a time. You'll see Welcome to Moodle, which is the video you're watching now. Then, after you're done watching this video, you need to click Introduce Yourself. Important, if you click the backspace right here to go back a page to see the previous page, this might not be unlocked. If that's the case, refresh your page. Just like click refresh or wherever your refresh button is on your computer, and it will unlock. But for this, to introduce yourself, you go on there. There's already 2 people who've introduced themselves, myself and test student, but you're going to click Add a New Discussion Topic. So you click that, give yourself a title, whatever your title is. It could be just your name, it could be whatever, and then you're going to write a message. The message deals with the question. The question says, create an introduction by saying who you are and one thing you plan to do or did this summer. Then reply to at least 2 people. I'm probably going to change this, so when you see it, it might be a little different. But the point is, write a title. Again, it could be your name, and then just say who you are and answer the question. Then you're going to go down here and click Post. You just post, and then people will see it. So if I just do it real quick, blah, 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 Post. There it is right here, name, blah, blah, blah. And then you're going to go on here, and you need to click 2 other people, which there are 2 other people, myself and test students. So I'll just click myself. And then you're going to click reply. Read what they write, and then click reply. Say something about what they wrote. Okay? And because the only way to unlock the next part is you have to, again, create your own topic to introduce yourself, and you have to reply to 2 people. Otherwise, the next part will not unlock. But that's it. I mean, it's really basic. If I go back to this real quick, I'm going to click reply, even though I can't reply to myself. I didn't show you all these things here, but because we're really not going to use these, honestly. But this stuff just lets you kind of indent, highlight, bold, subscript, superscript, things like that. You honestly don't need to use it. I thought I needed to use it last year. No one ever used it, so not important. And that's it. So welcome to Moodle. Good luck, and I'll see you the very first day of school. Again, I'm going to update this as we go. So check back often.